take a look down this condensate drain, the air conditioning systems, see what's going on down here, about 40 feet, I think you said. So, yeah, obviously it's backed up. It's holding water. Thank goodness it's clear. Alright, it takes a turn here. 30 feet. Oh, a lot of debris. A little bit of a dip there, you know, so we had a bubble there. Alright, that's as far as we can go, 60 feet. Let's go mark that location.
Is that full of water, or you just...
Yeah, it's full of water. See, I had a great picture going in because it was clear water.
You hit dirt? Is that what you saw?
Yeah, we hit dark dirt. So let's go locate this spot. Alright, so we got that marked on a 45 headed this way by the fire hydrant. Bring it back and locate this turn that we saw on the way in. Oh, there's the vent. Right there. Alright, we'll mark that spot. Alright, so we got that marked in the grass just beyond the driveway concrete. It was a soft material until I couldn't go anymore. I can show you the video if you want. It kind of looked like almost an insulation material or something like that. Like that stuff right there. See that? That's what it looked like.